There are some days when I do not want to spend much time in the kitchen. This recipe saves me when I am feeling lazy. It is extremely easy to bring together, healthy, quick and delicious. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Pan on medium-high heat with 2 tablespoons of oil. Finely chopped onions enter the pan along with a sprinkle of salt. Fry the onions on medium heat till they become pale and translucent. Once they look like this, add a teaspoon of finely grated garlic. Fry the garlic for about a minute to get rid of that raw smell. Next, I used half a cup of canned crushed tomatoes. You can also blend 2 large fresh ripe tomatoes if they are in season at your place. Then, spice time! A teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, which is used to give a vibrant red color. Though it is mild in terms of heat, please add less to start with, or you can use paprika if you want to avoid that heat completely. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, also known as dhania powder, and half a teaspoon of ground cumin, that is jeera powder. Stir everything on medium heat till the tomatoes become pasty and look somewhat jelly-like. I added 2 fresh whole green chilies. Adding them whole like this won't make the curry too hot, but will impart a beautiful flavor. Next, a can of cooked chickpeas tumble down. I usually discard the water from the can and rinse the chickpeas under water before adding them to the pan. You may skip that rinsing out step, but that's how I do it. Stir everything for 2 minutes on high heat and then add half a cup of hot water. A teaspoon of salt or to taste, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and freshly cracked black pepper. Cover on low heat for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, lid off, I added 2 chopped green peppers which has no heat at all. You can also use green bell peppers, that is capsicum, or no peppers. I again added just a splash of water as things were looking too dry. Cover on for 1 more minute. And then I added a generous shower of coriander leaves, also known as dhone pata in Bengali. Next comes the best part of the recipe. Just make a little space in the pan and drop an egg in it. Always crack each egg into a bowl and slide it gently onto the pan. In that way you can avoid the risk of the yolks breaking up. I like sprinkling some red chili flakes on top of the eggs, along with a little sprinkle of kasuri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves, which is totally optional. Keep the heat on medium-low. As soon as you see the white settling, you are done. Now you have 2 options. You can serve just like this, like with the sunny side up, or you can turn each egg to get a coating of that masala love. But immediately take the pan off heat after turning them if you want the yolks to stay soft and moist. You can have this with bread or roti or paratha. I love rice and I cannot live without rice, so I enjoy this eggy protein goodness over hot steamed rice. Now wasn't that easy and quick? And who doesn't like a quick recipe that will be delicious at the same time? Please try this recipe and send me your feedback. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.